Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy gold in TradingView. First, ensure you have a funded brokerage account linked to TradingView. Next, navigate to the search bar and type in gold to explore various gold-related assets like futures contracts or exchange-traded funds. Select the instrument that aligns with your investment goals. Finally, confirm your TradingView account settings are optimized for trading, including real-time data access. This foundational setup is crucial for successful gold trading. Once your setup is complete, it's time to analyze the gold markets. TradingView offers a robust suite of technical indicators. Consider using tools like moving averages or the relative strength index to spot potential trends and reversals. Identify significant support and resistance levels, which are crucial for determining entry and exit points. Based on your analysis, formulate a precise trading strategy, outlining your conditions for buying and selling. This disciplined approach helps manage risk effectively. Now, let's execute a trade. After identifying an opportunity, place your buy or sell order directly from the TradingView interface, which will route through your connected broker. It's vital to set a stop-loss order to protect your capital. This automatically closes your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount. Simultaneously, consider placing a take-profit order to lock in gains when gold reaches your target price. This systematic approach is key to disciplined trading. For advanced gold trading, always consider macroeconomic factors. Geopolitical events, interest rate changes, and inflation reports can significantly influence gold prices. Diversify your approach by exploring other gold-related assets, such as gold mining stocks or gold-backed exchange-traded funds, to broaden your exposure. Remember, continuous learning and adapting your strategy are essential for long-term success in the markets. And speaking of comfort, life's too short for cheap socks. Check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.